Winter is still running, and the snow is here to stay. And the Christmas decor is, of course, no more. It's a peaceful time as the city grows. The folks are adjusting, and changes are slowly arriving to the now popping city. The new trains are, of course, taking over, and the old ones have taken notice. The Blue Comet pulls into a station and meets the Empire State Express. You're the new train I heard about. Yes, glad my debut went well. After your uphill battle with a curve. Oh, you heard about that, huh? It's not a big city yet, so yeah, everyone did. That's great. But I'll outlive your train soon enough, so I wouldn't get too comfortable if I were you. And the snobby crew chuffed away. What was that all about? Hey, John! Mayor needs to talk to you. About what? Wouldn't say. No. John anxiously goes to the mayor's office. You wanted to see me, sir? Oh, well, yeah. Come in, John. Well, I got some good news and I got some bad news. Oh, no. The good news is we're getting a new subway train this week. That's great. The bad news is we gotta retire the Blue Comet. What? Why? The tracks are cheaper to fit out for the train, and quite frankly, the Blue Comet is getting kind of old. But people love that train. And if I remember correctly, you just bought a train that is way past its prime. Yes, but that engine is for the worst case scenario. Not everyday service. I can't believe this. But we still need a second train, don't we? That's what the subway is for. It'll travel quicker, and we have the Empire State Express, which can take people further out. I'm sorry, John. So what? I'm out of a job? You can't just lay me off and from a train I've been running for over 12 years. John, don't worry. You won't get laid off. I'll figure something out for you. You can work on the new subway. I don't know how to drive that contraption. Don't worry, we'll train you, pal. I'm sorry, but times are changing, my friend. Yeah, well, I hope things work out. And it did. Well, sort of. Not entirely. I'll just let you watch this. Breaking news this evening. A beloved train is being retired in favor of introducing a new subway train, which is expected to roll out this coming week. How are the citizens reacting to the news? I think it's going to be interesting, you know? It'll be sad to see Comet go, though. Man, beautiful train. Sir, can we have a moment of your time? We want to ask about the new subway system. The new subway
can go straight to...
I think it'll be interesting. It'll be great. I mean, I love steam engines, but it's time for a change, you know? Plus, we can use more trains. You know what I mean? And ones that don't make you get dirty every time they blow steam on you.
The Blue Comet has been serving the city for 13 years, with class, color, and speed. The final run will be this weekend, so all aboard Big Blue while you can.
Everyone in town quickly reacted in shock and tried their hardest to get tickets for the Blue Comet's last ride. And it was a big boom for the transit system, too, which gave the mayor the idea for the subway to debut on the farewell day of Big Blue. Old Reliable helped pull in the non-motorized cars, and then the head car coupled to the train. The townspeople at the platform boarded the new subway with welcoming arms as they approached the station to board the Blue Comet. The subway pulls into the station, leaving the passengers to wait for the Blue Comet to be ready for one last ride on Big Blue. Enjoying the ride at highball speed. John was emotional. Well, old friend, let's give them a rocket speed ride one last time. Train blew its whistle, sped by. The mayor enjoyed the view from the new elevated station. Sorry to see you go, old friend. What? Hoffman? Are my eyes deceiving me, or am I looking at demolition vehicles at the church? No, sir, your eyes are correct. Get me, Charles. He's actually right over there, sir. Thank you. Charles? Oh, Mayor, I was just on my way to your spare it, Charles. What are you doing to the church? We agreed to spare it. We did, but I knew you were a con artist. Why, after making our truce, you would decide to... But I didn't decide. Save your stories for the judge, you little criminal. I was overruled. By who? Me, actually. Governor? But why? The proposal had been sitting in my office for a while, long before you made these decisions. The town is turning into a city, so I'm helping it get there. But at the expense of the church? Look, the church is wherever the fellowship is, and this project is what's best for business. I don't care how true that statement may be. You don't just destroy a church. As the governor of this state, I can. You're gonna regret this. And you're not innocent in this either. No one replied, and the evil governor went through with his plans.
church folks were given the heartbreaking news by the mayor, and a big sorrow came over them. Only the priest spoke up. We are truly living in the last days now.